Alright, today I'm going to show a rather unorthodox way to open a lock. It's an Iseo Euro cylinder. See, it is locked up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my top of the keyway tension wrench into the bottom of the keyway because it's a little too fat to fit the top on this lock, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to put it into the bottom of the keyway. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the back end, the flat end, put it up in there against the key pins, push up, open. Alright, thank you for watching. That's all for now.